Hello, I'm Torie, your MV reporter, and as you know, we like to bring you all the brand new exclusives first, and this has got to be one of the most exciting yet. We're at the pre-launch party for the brand new Mercedes AMG GT, and we're amongst a select few VIPs and journalists from around the world, so naturally, you and I were invited as well, and the launch is about to begin. Okay, come with me. I've been very patient and waited for the crowds to clear because I want to bring you nice and up close to this car. Now, one of the first things that you notice is it has all those classic characteristics that you would find in a Mercedes AMG. But the real treat with this car lies underneath here. The gorgeous roar of this car might have something to do with the 4-litre V8 bi-turbocharged engine. But I'm not going to tell you about that, not when we've got the CEO of AMG here. Tobias, thank you for talking to us. What features are you particularly proud of or most excited about?
What I'm really proud about is the precision of the steering, how the car handles, how stable the car is into corners, the car stability, the precision. This is it's like a knife.
So talk us through some of the design features on the piece.
We have a classical shape of the car. It's a classical sport car shape. We have a carbon fiber roof as well to reduce center of gravity, beautiful rear end of the car, additional flicks at the front end. So Gordon Wagner, our styling design chief, always tell about sensual purity, and that car represents that very much.
Tell me a little bit about what's hiding underneath that bonnet, because we could hear it, but I want to know the details.
Can I show it you?
Yes, show me.
That's the all-new engine of AMG, so it provides fuel efficiency. The car is rated with 9.3 liter and 100 Ks. And the throttle output, the throttle response of that V8 bi-turbo is very similar to the natural aspirated 6.2 liter. So was our target and we achieved it. And the sound, even it's a bi-turbo, it's amazing.
The sound is amazing and I'm dying to try it out myself. Thank you so much for talking us through it today.
Thank you.
Mercedes AMG as a brand is performing even better than ever before. Just take the Formula One team, for example. And I can't help but think the phenomenal engineering behind that car is now being mirrored in some of the cars we're seeing launched. For example, the Mercedes AMG GT.